The new Easy Kit by Bright, a new concept in teeth whitening. The Easy Kit by Bright has been designed to be easy to use and comfortable while providing you salon results at home. In the Easy Kit you have 3 Easy Kit gels, which have been refined to make sure the ingredients perform better than any similar home teeth whitening kits. You have the Easy Kit Ready Mouth Tray combined with the Allium 16 Light, which has been inspired by dental practices and professional teeth whitening salons whitening mouth lights. The Allium 16 is a power light for teeth whitening. It will react with the Easy Kit gel on your teeth and speed up the whitening process as it does in professional surgeries. You can do all this in the comfort of your own home. Follow the Easy Kit simple and effective user manual. Use the Bright Easy Kit shade guide before starting the process. Hold the shade guide against a mirror and note your starting shade. To use the Bright Easy Kit Teeth Whitening Kit, squeeze the Easy Kit gel into the Ready Mouth Tray. Dab the Easy Kit gel on your teeth with the Easy Kit Direct toothbrushes. Put the Allium 16 mouth light into your mouth and use for the selected period. Relax and chill out whilst using. When your session is finished, rinse out the Easy Kit Ready Mouth Tray and the Allium 16 light, so it'll be ready for your next session. Here's what's included in the Bright Easy Kit. Easy Kit Whitening Gels. Easy Kit Ready Mouth Tray, Mouth Light Allium 16 Easy Kit. User Manual, Easy Kit Shade Guide, Easy Kit Direct Toothbrushes.